We are making hula chicken today. It's a Hawaiian, I guess it's a Hawaiian recipe. We have Cara in the back stirring up the sauce for it. I think she will explain that in this video.
Okay, the spice of the month is cayenne this month. That's why we're making the huli chicken. And the sauce that I'm boiling over there takes 1 cup of pineapple juice, a half a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sherry or red wine vinegar, a half a cup of light brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. And you put all of that in your sauce and let it start in your pan and start to let it boil. And you boil it till it reduces to half and is thick. And that will be your basting sauce for the recipe. Then on the chicken, Vicki already cleaned the chicken. It's a whole chicken and she spatchcocked it, but you can buy the chicken pieces already done if you don't want to clean it yourself. And the spices rub that goes on top is 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of ground cumin. Our spice of the month, cayenne pepper, is a half teaspoon, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And cayenne is the spice of the month, and some of the interesting notes that I found about cayenne is that it was cultivated over 7,000 years ago in Central and South America. In 17th century Europe, it was known as the poor man's pepper because black pepper was a lot more expensive. And birds are immune to cayenne pepper because they can't feel the heat because they lack the capsaicin receptors. And so that's our recipe.
So Mark is putting the spice mixture on this chicken. We're gonna grill ours today. The recipe has the oven directions on it. So he's gonna get that finished up, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like on the grill.
Getting ready to put the chicken on this grill. It is grilling season. This bad boy is big. Just gonna set him like that.
We get our chickens from a local grower, and they're usually 10-pound chickens, and I think he's probably 10 or 12. So what kind of setup we got going here today?
I have a slow and sear, indirect cook. I got a water pan. Probably should have put a piece of tin under there, tin pan to keep everything, but it'll work. And then we're going to maintain between 350 and 325, which it was when we put it on. We'll see if it builds back up to that. And we'll make adjustments as we go. This we check in a half hour, 45 minutes. See how it's doing.
Okay, we'll come back later.
We've been holding 350 pretty much the whole time here. If they want to show you the picture of the thermometer, that's fine. Thank you, ma'am. We basted it once. We're getting ready to do a little more basting. And then we'll probably check the temp here in about another 10 minutes, see where we're at. We're going to put another base on this. Looks like it's looking pretty good. We'll see what it looks like. Like I said, we'll give it 10 more minutes. We'll temp it and see where we're at, and we'll go from there.
Okay, we'll be back. It's looking yummy. Checking our temperature again. Mark can get the thing to read right. Not quite there yet. Oh, that side is.
We can go about 10 more minutes.
Okay, getting close.
Get that.
Then we're gonna fix some fried rice to go with this.
The chicken's pretty much done. we're gonna
Oh, it's looking yummy.
put it on this cookie tray. We're gonna tin it with some foil.
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's a big one. There you go.
And then we're gonna make some rice for it.
On the flat top. Over there. So we'll be back in a few minutes. That's looking really good. Mark's cooking our fried rice on the flat top. It's looking pretty good. That'll be a good accompaniment to our chicken. We added some pineapple to it. So we're almost ready to plate this up. Okay, our chicken is done with our fried rice. Cara's gonna try it.
That's really good. That's really, really good.
Okay, you wanna hold it and I'll try it?
Oh, yep. Oh, that's really good. I like that. Okay. Here.
So I give me some Cara. Thank you for joining us today. Next month, we're gonna make pizza on the grill, and our spice is what?
Fennel.
Fennel. So we're gonna make pizza sauce. So look forward to that one, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.